Right now, I am in Tucson, Arizona, more specifically at Columbus Park, and we are going to go fishing. So we got this little piece right here from Walmart, Ozark Trail, anyway, the cheapest one they had. And we got this little neon piece right here. We're going to go see if we can find a 10-pound bass. Come along with me. This is our first cast into Columbus Park. Oh, that was a good one. Lock it up. A lot of ducks out here today. We're not looking for ducks, we're looking for fish. The first spot wasn't that good. Really shallow water, and it's 117 degrees outside right now, so you know, if there were any fish in there, they were burning. So we're gonna go head for some deeper waters over here. Yeah, let's go. Look at the Santa Catalina Mountains over there. Highest point, Mount Lemon. Oh yeah, there we go. Spot number 2. Nice shot of the Catalina Mountains in the background. We also got some beer cans in the water right here. I didn't put those there. I don't drink Bud Light. But yeah, we're gonna cast and try out this spot. A little bit deeper water, so hopefully you get something. To that spot over there, with the palms over there, but they're filled with hornets. So they're filled with hornets over there. So we came over here. Not as shaded, but you know, at least we're not getting stuck. It's always good. That wasn't it. We got some green mallards out there. Those are really cool. They're called green mallards because of their green head. And I also kind of noticed they also got purple on the tips of their feathers or wings. That's it. Yeah, wings. Pretty cool. Hopefully the line cooperates with us this time. Changuitos. So as a testament to the $10 pole we got from Walmart, the Ozark Trail, it's bad. I just did a regular cast and it's gone. Our pole is broken. So maybe that's God giving us a sign to get out of the heat. But yeah, so I think we're gonna call it here. But thank you for joining me at a brand new lake. If you'd like to visit here, this is Columbus Park in Tucson, Arizona. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye. Wow, wasn't that super fun? Yes, it was. Thank you for coming along with me today to go fishing. And if you'd like to see more exciting and stimulating content, please like and subscribe now. Thank you and goodbye.